If you want a project that instantly signals to recruiters that you understand real-world AI challenges, a fake news detector is one of the most powerful choices you can build right now. This information is spreading at extreme speed, driven by AI-generated posts, manipulated articles, and deepfake content, and organizations simply cannot keep up without automated detection systems. This project teaches you how to analyze text, understand hidden cues, and build intelligent models that classify content as authentic or misleading. It matters in 2025 through 2027 because every major platform is investing heavily in safety, trust, and monitoring tools to protect users and reduce the impact of false information. Real-world applications include social media moderation, newsroom fact-checking, election monitoring, fraud detection in news, and brand protection. These examples show recruiters that you can apply NLP to real problems. You also demonstrate thinking beyond basic ML by linking your model to societal impact. Industries like social media companies, media houses, cybersecurity firms, government departments, and PR agencies hire aggressively for these skills. Working on this project proves your readiness for them and places you ahead of students who only build basic classification tasks. As you dive into the skills needed for a fake news detector, you begin developing the exact capabilities that recruiters expect from strong NLP candidates. You learn natural language processing fundamentals, text classification, and sentiment analysis, which teach you how machines understand human language. You work with machine learning algorithms and deep learning models like LSTM and BERT, which help you recognize patterns that humans often miss. You explore web scraping and API integration so your system can collect fresh articles and social posts automatically. You practice feature engineering for text, which sharpens your ability to convert messy language into meaningful insights. You also interact with tools like Python's NLTK and SpyScikit, scikit-learn for ML, TensorFlow or PyTorch for deeper models, and Hugging Face for transformers. These are the exact tools used in real AI jobs. You even pick up critical soft skills such as thinking about bias, understanding the media ecosystem, analyzing data, and communicating insights. Recruiters value these because misinformation work requires strong reasoning and ethics. When you build this project, you move beyond theory and showcase practical, job-ready expertise. The implementation roadmap of a fake news detector teaches you how to build a complete AI solution from raw text to deployment. You begin by preparing a dataset of labeled fake and real news from sources like Kaggle, Liar, and Fake Newsnet. You clean the text, balance the classes, and understand typical language patterns in misinformation. Next, you extract features like sentiment, readability, and punctuation style, and convert text into numerical form through TF-IDF or embeddings. Then you train models ranging from simple logistic regression to LSTM networks and fine-tune BERT, gradually moving from baseline accuracy to state-of-the-art performance. You compare metrics, analyze errors, and refine the model based on real patterns. After you get solid accuracy, you deploy the system using FastAPI and create a simple web interface that accepts articles and returns predictions. You also add explainability features so users understand why the model flags a piece of news. Beginners can complete this in 5 to 7 weeks, while intermediate students can do it faster by using pre-trained models. This entire pipeline demonstrates full-stack AI capability that recruiters love seeing. When you complete this fake news detector project, you position yourself strongly for several high-impact AI and NLP roles. Companies look for people who understand misinformation, trust and safety, content analysis, and text classification at scale. This project helps you qualify for roles like NLP engineer, content moderation AI developer, data scientist focusing on text analytics, trust and safety engineer, and even research scientist roles in misinformation analysis. Recruiters appreciate candidates who show they can work with imbalanced datasets, classify sensitive content, and explain model decisions, because these skills are essential in responsible AI teams. You strengthen your resume with keywords like BERT, text classification, sentiment analysis, explainability, and moderation AI. Hiring companies include Meta, Twitter, X, Google's trust and safety teams, Microsoft, news startups, fact-checking organizations, and cybersecurity firms. Freshers in India typically see salaries around 6 to 12 lakhs per year, while mid-level roles jump significantly higher. Global entry roles range from $85,000 to $130,000, with senior levels going beyond that. If you want a project that proves your technical depth and ethical awareness, start building this today and put it on GitHub.